Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be painting this room, and the first step I've taken is dusting off the wall and covering up any holes. So it looks like they poked a lot of holes in the wall. So that was a previous patch I did, and if y'all remember in the other video, this is the portion of the wall, the ceiling that I patched. I will be priming the entire ceiling, and I believe it had like a high gloss and going down a flat white. And now also I will be adding primer to the walls. So we're going to a color that's a little bit lighter. Another step I'm gonna do is remove all the outlet covers, and I am also going to remove the base trim. Remove all the base trim and take off the blinds and take off the blades off the ceiling fan and remove that. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so we already got all the outlet covers removed. Now I'm going to use a utility blade, a scraper, spatula, crowbar. Use the crowbar behind it, and then put this to not damage the drywall so much. But first, we're going to use the blade to remove the caulking. Alright, so it broke loose already. And as you can see, it's coming off. Pull away from the drywall. That way you don't break the drywall. There you go. Now to do that to the rest of the room. Alright, so got all the base trim removed. Now just remove some of that residue of the caulking, and we should be able to begin priming. The switch in the room controls both the fan and the light. I hired an electrician to come place them on independent switches. Also had him install an outlet near the ceiling for some LED lights. Oh crap.
What?
Room is painted. Left a little bit of white for the crown molding that will go up there, for the LED strip light that will be plugged into that. Now it's time to remove the carpet. There's a lot of dirt near the entryway, but that's about it. I didn't see any mold underneath the carpet or on these padding from when the water was leaking there, so I cleaned it up pretty good. Heavy trash is this month. I'll put this out on the curb and get ready for the next step.